In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Koyfin News Feed. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find market headlines, how to build a custom news screen that fits your interests, and how to pull up news for a single company when you need a quick update. Start by opening Koyfin and heading to the left side menu. Look for Market News or the small news icon. Click that to open the main news page. This is your hub for timely headlines and stories across the market. It's designed to help you scan quickly, so you can see what's moving markets without getting overwhelmed. On the news page, look for the plus button or the Create Custom News Screen option. This launches a simple setup to tailor the feed to what matters most to you. If you're just getting started, this is the best way to make the news experience both relevant and efficient. Next, choose from the available topics. Global Markets is great for broad, market-wide developments. Industries helps you zero in on sectors you follow closely. Macro focuses on the big economic themes like inflation, rates, and growth. Corporate Events captures items like earnings and guidance updates. Pick one or several, depending on the kind of signal you want from the headlines. If you want to narrow your view even more, optionally filter by region or country. This is especially helpful if you follow a specific geography, or if you want to separate U.S. news from Europe or Asia for clarity. Keeping your scope tight can reduce noise and make patterns easier to spot. When you're happy with the setup, save the screen for quick access later. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it at a glance. Your saved screen will be available the next time you open the news section, so you can jump right back into your preferred view without rebuilding anything. To view news for a specific stock, use the search bar and type the company ticker, such as AAPL. Open the company's page, then in the Stocks menu, go to News under News, Filings and Transcripts. This view is focused on that single company's headlines, making it easy to catch earnings updates, product announcements, or notable mentions. Use it when you need context fast before a trade or a meeting. That's the core workflow. Open Market News, create and save a custom screen by topic and region, and pull up a stock's own news when you need the details. Thanks for watching, and happy scanning.